Let's see what our parents felt about our exhibition process as they watched us very closely going through this extensive inquiry-based teaching learning process. On behalf of my whole class, I would like to thank each and every parent for their non-stop support, cooperation and their care for us to showcase our learning in the best possible way. Here we go!
Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Manisha Singh. I'm a pediatric physician at Gujarat Cancer Research Institute here at Ahmedabad. I'm mother of OS. I've seen OS dedicating a lot of time to this project exhibition, and as I was not at home for most of the time during this lockdown, I was able to gauge that she was staying up quite late researching the subject, making the PowerPoint presentation so easily, and also working on the subjects like economic case study, why Nokia could not survive and why shouldn't we ban the wet markets in China. So this exhibition, which is their transition basically from PYP to MYP, has opened up an era where they can think not only in terms of national but also international perspectives. I want to thank Devya ma'am, as she has been the constant guide to the kids, especially O's, because I was not able to help her much. And I hope everybody likes the effort of the kids and enjoy it, and also all the best for this transition phase to all the kids of grade 5. Thank you.
This is Nishad Shah, dad of Dhruv Shah, year 5 PYP at COIS. I am here to share the experience Dhruv and most of the kids have gone through during this lockdown period for the exhibition they were asked to prepare. The journey began at the school where the topics were given. However, the way it was handled during the lockdown time, and the teachers, school and the guiding principal from the overall committee of the school have helped the kids to make the presentation more robust, given them the independence to do the research, and that has helped the kids to make something on their own. At the same time, the teachers were constantly in touch with each of the kids during this time to make sure they have been provided the helping hand. And at the end, the kids were able to prepare a wonderful exhibition which probably is going to be the lifetime experience and memory which is going to help them to grow further in future. I really thank each of the teachers at COIS, in particular Dhruv's class teacher and all the subject teachers who has helped Dhruv and most of his classmates to prepare a wonderful exhibition. During the journey of this, Dhruv has learned how to be inquisitive, how to do the research on his own, because most of the time he was not getting enough support from parents as well, as they all were busy during the lockdown period for the domestic and social support. So Dhruv has learned how to work on his own, how to use the technology platform more effectively, be it Zoom, be it going online and researching on his own, and making a complete end-to-end exhibition which is going to actually demonstrate the entire outer world of COIS and the fraternities to understand how wonderful the exhibition could be. So thank you once again, and I really appreciate the way COIS is supporting the kids, and I'm sure this journey is going to continue for long. Thank you so much.
India under lockdown due to COVID-19. Initially, we got really worried for our kid and his routine studies and activities. It is easy for an adult to cope up such a situations, but with kids, there is a constant fear of them getting involved in constant TV watching or in their cell phones. We are thankful to our school administration who right time came up with virtual education for students. The projects and tasks allotted by the teachers kept him involved in something innovative every day. Sometimes it becomes very difficult to spend such a quality time with our kid in normal routine life. But with virtual education, it helped us to connect our kid and understand his strengths and weaknesses. So, thank you.
Hi, I am Pawan Shah, parent of Just Shah of grade 5. Now let us talk about the journey what they have just completed. As these days have passed, it was a complete lockdown period. And not even for children, but even for as a parent, it was first time that we have experienced such a thing. And the school had come out with the Zoom sessions, and it was at the beginning it was really stressful, not even for children but even for parents, that how would they be doing, because there was a fear of COVID-19 also. But the way teacher and principal had helped in each and single small manner, it was really nice. My son just had took a topic on economy and a transport, and from the inquiry cycle and how the teacher helped to finish him in each and every course was really very, very nice. I was really impressed to see that at this age he is doing such a nice work. And at the end we were so happy to see the end result. And for this I am again thankful to the teacher, principal, and to my wife Janvi, who constantly supported Josh to finish this. I am really thankful once again. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Pooja Saran, parent of Samara Saran, studying in PYP 5 in Calarix Olive International School. I'm so proud to be associated with this school and sending my child there. Today I'm here to give a reflection towards something called as an exhibition that they actually do. It's something that's a very important part, a very significant part and an event of all PYP grade 5 students. They actually bring their whole year's work together and reflect upon one topic that they have chosen. They themselves chose that topic, and that is very relevant to our daily day-to-day life. For example, my daughter chose something related to wildlife protection, and in fact deep dived in marine life protection. I never knew that she's interested in it, and I never expected her to stop me using a straw, understanding and making me understand how actually that straw can go back in the marine and give a lot of problems with the marine life, and the turtles die because of that. These are few things that my child has learned, not only about marine life but about how to handle your own life, taking actions and taking responsibilities for your action, coming together, doing the group work, handling other people's objections carefully and gracefully, and accepting other people's and their peers and parents and teachers' opinions. That is something that all this exhibition unit has brought it together. In fact, this whole exhibition unit has now, due to the situation that our world is facing, has turned into virtual education. That was a double education, a double learning for the kids, because now the whole thing turned into Zoom classes. Some topics they had to understand on their own and work about on their own, researched what is Bloom's box taxonomy and how to do all these things. They actually researched and helped each other. The whole thing has brought such a big responsibility, understanding, and the success, the feeling that they actually didn't say no and didn't quit because of the lockdown situation, and made this whole crisis as an opportunity for them to convert it into virtual exhibition and showcase the world how never to stop. Thank you so much to all the school, the teachers, the peers, the parents, the whole parents set in the school, and to the kids, of course, in teaching us never to say no and take every crisis and convert it into opportunity. Thank you.
We are finally done with our virtual tour of exhibition. I can see all the happy faces of my friends. We really have put in a lot of effort. Burnt midnight oil, disturbed our parents and teachers 24/7. But it was all worth doing an extensive process into all the topics that we have chosen. Through this journey, I have tried to instill the learner profiles, become international minded, and studied all the commonalities. Develop skills which will help us embark onto a new journey, the MYP. I'm sure you're all looking forward to that. But for now, let us enjoy our teachers' reflections.
નમસ્કાર. PYP 5 એક્ઝિબિશન અંતર્ગત ગુજરાતી વિષયમાં વિદ્યાર્થીઓએ વન્યજીવનનું સંરક્ષણ એટલે કે વાઇલ્ડ લાઇફ પ્રોટેક્શનના મુદ્દા માટે સંશોધન કરી પોતાની જાણકારી ગુજરાતી ભાષામાં વાર્તાનાટ્યના માધ્યમ દ્વારા પ્રસ્તુત કરી. આ દ્વારા તેઓ વિષયાંગની માહિતીથી તો પરિચિત થયા જ, સાથે સાથે ભાષા સાહિત્યના એક મહત્વના અંગ નાટકથી પણ પરિચિત થયા. સંવાદો સમજ્યા, બોલ્યા. વન્યજીવન પર તોળાતી આફતો વિશે પોતાની માહિતીને સુંદર વાર્તા નાટ્યના સ્વરૂપે ઝૂમના માધ્યમથી રજૂ કરી. આપણે આ ખતરાને નિવારવા શું કરી શકીએ? આવો ઓપન એન્ડેડ પ્રશ્ન પૂછીને પોતાની સોશિયલ સ્કિલ પણ પ્રગટ કરી. આ દ્વારા વિદ્યાર્થીઓમાં રહેલી બહુમુખી પ્રતિભા જોવાનો એક અનેરો મોકો આપણને સૌને મળ્યો. HRT તથા સર્વે વિષય શિક્ષકોના અને વાલીઓના અને બાળકોના આ સામૂહિક યજ્ઞ દ્વારા આજે વિપરીત પરિસ્થિતિમાં પણ કોયસના બાળકો સોળે કળાએ ખીલી રહ્યા છે. ધન્યવાદ.
हिंदी फैकल्टी हूँ. आज मैं आपके साथ अपना एक अनुभव शेयर करना चाहती हूँ जो कि ग्रेड 5 के एग्जीबिशन यूनिट के बारे में है. एग्जीबिशन यूनिट में मैं ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के बच्चों के साथ थी. मेरे साथ कुछ और टीचर्स भी थे, उनकी क्लास टीचर भी थी. हम टीचर्स ने डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू बच्चों को गाइड किया, फ़ोन कॉल्स और वीडियो कॉल्स के थ्रू उनके डाउट्स क्लियर किए. वहीं बच्चों ने पूरे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के साथ अपना हर टास्क कंप्लीट किया. बच्चों ने अपना रिसर्च वर्क ऑनलाइन कंप्लीट किया. कुछ बच्चों ने फ़ोन कॉल के थ्रू लोगों के इंटरव्यूज़ भी लिए. इतना ही नहीं, बच्चों ने अपनी लर्निंग, अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग, अपना पूरा अनुभव PPT के थ्रू प्रेजेंट भी किया. इन सब कामों में जितनी मेहनत हम टीचर्स ने और बच्चों ने की, उतनी ही मेहनत नो डाउट उनके पेरेंट्स ने भी की, जिसके लिए बच्चे और उनके पेरेंट्स दोनों बधाई के पात्र हैं. इन विपरीत परिस्थितियों में ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के थ्रू एक नई लर्निंग के साथ हम सब ने ये एग्जीबिशन यूनिट कंप्लीट किया, जो कि बहुत अलग और बहुत ही रोचक अनुभव रहा हम सब के लिए.
This is
धन्यवाद.
Trupti Kamdar, one of the mentors for Calrex Olive International School, grade 5 kids. I must take you to a wonderful journey through this exhibition. Kids have done a wonderful job and just not showcasing their talents and a lot of things that willpower to do well, everything well. And from anything to anything, that is from surveys to phone calls to getting policemen standing out of the door, like just doorway. Please, can I ask you for some questions? I mean, they've really shown ownership of exhibition and their talents as well. Must say that they had done collaborative meetings a lot of times, wherein 100% involvement from parents as well as Divya ma'am. And I'm really happy to say it was a wonderful journey.
Hello everyone. The PYP exhibition is the momentous landmark in the students' learning journey through the primary years. It has been a little different for the academic year as we globally fight COVID-19. Our students, along with their teachers, strived to make this virtual exhibition a grand success. I wish them all the very best for their successful future. It was a great time with all of them and we'll miss you all.
Hello everyone, myself Ravina Desai. I am working with Calrex Olive International School as a faculty of dance teacher. Here I am happy to share my great experience to work on virtual exhibitions of grade 5. Exhibition is like learning to drive. Here the celebrations of the children's knowledge and skills throughout their PYP experience. It is a culmination of inquiry, self-reflection, collaboration, actions and presentations to an audience. Here, exhibitions gives the students to chance to develop and display the attributes of ideal learner profile. It will give the children the chance to demonstrate their skill, their knowledge and gives them a voice to make a difference in the world. It is a journey of teachers and mentors. Much of the decisions to be made by the children themselves. It's the exhibition unit, the students, teachers, parents and other mentors and other members of the community in a collaborative experience. So, my experience is wonderful with my COIS students. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good evening. I would like to congratulate my students for their knowledge of ICT and integration they did with the other subjects. Students have worked quite well throughout the virtual process. It has been an immense pleasure of mine to guide our students through Zoom application for their further learning, which was thoroughly enjoyed by them. They were commendable with their zeal for learning that made my session vibrant and effective. I strongly believe that when students are posting their reflections, they might have used multiple devices to record their understanding and have shared the same ideas to collaborate using the internet. I want to emphasize here that when I wanted them to be confident in uses of multiple devices and surfing internet to fetch relevant information has truly been implemented here. I would not be an exaggeration if I say that my students are one of the best little champs to use technology in the best possible ways. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Good day, everyone. It's a challenge to do drama activities online, and it is the enthusiastic responses of the children that kept my spirit up. Apart from connecting to the main theme of the exhibition, that is how we organize ourselves, we also tried to display some of the dramatic skills like mono acting, conversations, group acting, and script writing through visual presentations. I, as drama teacher, only suggested the ideas, and the rest of it, such as recording, acting, script writing, everything was done by the children. Sometimes coordinating from different venues, sometimes persuading their grandparents to come in front of the camera as co-actors or as cameramen. So it was a perfect example of voice, choice, ownership of the students, and also parent-teacher partnership. Together, we enjoyed experimenting with the opportunities that the new technique of online teaching offered us. Thank you.
Hello everyone. As a visual art teacher, I always generate passion for art in my children since they are in grade 1, and I keep waiting eagerly to see the application of their visual art skill when they come to grade 5, culminating their primary year's learning into exhibition process. Talking about this year's exhibition, I take the pride, appreciate each child's learning process expressed through various art forms. Despite of this crisis situation, I also appreciate their conceptual understanding, creativity, imagination, and curiosity to apply what they have explored and learned. It gives me immense pleasure to visualize their process into final product. Best of luck. Thank you.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Niyati, je suis professeur de français à l'école Calorix Olive International. Dans cette exhibition, les étudiants ont travaillé sur divers sujets comme la faune, l'éducation, l'économie et bien d'autres. Le thème comment nous nous organisons n'est pas seulement mis en œuvre dans leur travail qui est présenté, mais dans chaque processus de la cycle d'enquête, coordonner les uns avec autres ou diviser leur travail et le compiler. Tout cela impliquait l'organisation du travail. Ils ont également travaillé sur différents concepts et créé des comparaisons avec les pays francophones et l'Inde.
Hola, la exhibición PIP5 Virtual fue una experiencia única. Los estudiantes, los maestros y los padres trabajaron juntos para que fuera un éxito. Los estudiantes hicieron una intensa investigación. Los hizo mejores investigadores, pensadores y estudiantes reflexivos. El viaje comenzó en la clase para una discusión simple y después del bloqueo continúa en numerosas sesiones de Zoom, correos electrónicos y WhatsApp. Los estudiantes trabajaron en diferentes temas como el transporte, los animales, el manejo del desecho, etc. Esto nos hizo a todos aprender, los estudiantes y los maestros. Fue un hermoso viaje de aprendizaje, conocimiento y creación. Gracias.
IBPYP exhibition is always like a roller coaster ride, and this year was no different except that we took the opportunity to go virtual. I would like to acknowledge and applaud for the incredible work which my kids have exhibited. They have put their heart and soul, worked round the clock, not to forget the support which their parents have given to their children and teachers despite many challenges due to the present situation. But as we know, every dark cloud has a silver lining. The current situation has also taught us in many ways. At the same time, given us the wisdom of sharing the knowledge, expertise, and resources, which truly embodies the spirit of global PYP community. I am grateful to our coordinator, Mr. Jata Paul, our director, Sir, Mr. Shamik Ghosh, our school management, my colleagues, for all the support that they have given me throughout the exhibition. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone. Greetings from Calorix Olive International School Fraternity. This is Sujata Paul, PYP Coordinator and Headmistress, Calorix Olive International School. The PYP exhibition is a much awaited event, and it's delightful to see the depth of understanding of the theme and the research work done by each child. It's a proud moment for all of us at COIS to celebrate this day, although there exists a mixed feeling that these children would be leaving the PYP nest to embark a new journey. Message to my PYP 5 class. Dear children, with the new voice, choice, ownership in learning, you now need to be individualistic to have a direct impact on making the world a better place. Do work on honing your talents while tackling your obstacles amicably. This is how you would be able to rediscover yourselves. Wishing each one of you a great success in life. My heartfelt thanks to all my parents who have constantly supported the students, teachers with collaboration. A big thank you to the PYP 5 teachers to work alongside the students to make them lifelong learners. Best wishes. Thank you.
Greetings to all visitors to the PYP Grade 5 Exhibition 2020. The challenges of the lockdown period brought the best out of our teachers and students in terms of concern, innovation, experimentation, rigor, learning, and the flexibility to adapt to a new situation. I appreciate the constant support and encouragement we receive from all our parents. At COIS, we take this as an opportunity for the future. The fruits of our new learning will become a permanent part of our new regularity once the students and the staff come running onto the school campus again. Thank you.
अनकही बात, मेरा बेटा तो बड़ा होके दुनिया में नाम करेगा। बार बार कही गई बात, बेटा कुछ भी करना, अपने संस्कार मत भूलना। ये दोनों बातें क्या जताती है कि आप चाहते हैं कि आपके बच्चे को इंटरनेशनल एक्सपोजर मिले, पर वो अपनी वैल्यूज ना भूले, है ना? हम भी यही चाहते हैं। और हम जानते हैं ऐसा एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड करना भी। आइए साथ मिलकर तराशे उनका फ्यूचर।
Calrix Olive International School, educating for life. Visit www.cois.edu.in or call on 9099 33804.